Hi, so I wanted to explain how discussions will be working for our class. So for this semester, for this class, we'll be having 5 total discussions, each being worth 20 points. And the way that each one will be working, each discussion will have 2 parts to it. The first part being the response to the actual discussion question, so your answer to the question. And the second part being you replying to 2 of your peers' comments. So in total, there's going to be 3 submissions. The first submission is the answer to the discussion question, and the next 2 submissions are replies to your peers. So we're going to go over discussion number 1 as an example. So instructions, there are 2 parts to this assignment. The first part is to answer the discussion question below, with the second part tasking you to reply to 2 of your peers' comments. 10 points will be evaluated based on the response itself, with additional 5 being rewarded per comment reply. So again, you are 1, responding to the question below, responding to the discussion question below, and 2, replying to 2 of your peers' comments. The response to the discussion question should be at least 150 words, and the replies to your peers' comments should be at least 100 words each. So essentially 150 for the response, and then 200 words total at least for the replies to your peers. Discussion question: have you ever read a play before or seen one? If so, what were they and did you enjoy them? If not, then how do you feel about the fact that you will be reading a play, right? John Patrick Shanley's Doubt, a parable. Lastly, where should a thesis statement for an academic essay be placed? Hint, the answer is in week 1's lecture. If there's any questions about discussions or about discussion number 1, please let me know. Send me an email. Or come by during office hours. Don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you so much, and good luck with your first discussion and with your future discussions.